There's my 1998 Ezgo TXT. Thought I'd show you guys the reverse lights I just put on. Kind of come around to the back and kind of see how they're mounted down here. 4 of them across. I'll go over here, hit the reverse on it, and show you guys how they light up. That's reverse. You kind of get an idea of how bright they are. Perfect for backing up. Being able to see behind you. I haven't found nothing like it, so thought I'd customize it and make my own. And you put it back into neutral, and then they shut themselves off. Thought it was pretty cool and safe for campgrounds so you can see where you're going. Let me know what you think.